Hello, dearest friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is so amazing, I assure you. We're making noodles, but we're making it different. To start off, I have some shrimps, which I'm going to be stir frying for about 2 minutes. Remember that shrimps do not take time to cook, so we're taking that out in 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to be scrambling some eggs. I have about 4 eggs here, which I beat slightly, and I'm just going to be scrambling them. I added a little bit of salt, just a little bit, so that I don't make it too salty, because by the time I add all the ingredients together, everything will come all together. So from the beginning, I'm not going to be adding so much. Next, into my wok pan, I'm adding some onions. What is noodles without onions? I love onions a lot. If you don't like a lot, you can skip it. I'm adding some ginger garlic as well. I love the way the flavor just builds up, and this is how I like to build up my flavors. I'll be adding some chicken franks as well, or what we call sausages. So you can skip this if you don't want. You can use chicken if you want, but of course I'll be going in with some bell peppers. Feel free to add whatever you like. If you can use spring onions as well, add some spring onions. So the shrimps I stir fried earlier, I'm adding that to my ingredients, which I'm just gradually building up all the flavors. I'm adding my eggs as well. The eggs I scrambled in the beginning, and I'm just going to be combining everything all together, making sure that everything is well fused together. Then now to my noodles. I have about 4 packets of noodles that I am boiling, and to these noodles, this is where I'm going to be adding some of the spices, or let me just say I'll be adding majority of my spices into the noodles. So I had already added a bit into my stir fry already, but I'll be adding more so that the noodles will be tasty. So I'm just using pepper, normal pepper, and my noodle seasoning. Everything depends on you. You can add more if you wish, but just be gentle with the seasoning, okay? I added some more Cameroon pepper. Depending on your tolerance for chili or your tolerance for pepper, add more or add little as you so desire. Yeah, the one eating this dish, okay? So make it as interesting as you would like it. This is just noodles, but just to make it more interesting, I added a little bit of more seasoning into my stir fry so that the seasoning also has its own taste and sweetness. I added a little bit of more green chili. I love the slight taste of chili. I don't want it to be so bland, and I'm just adding the noodles that I have cooked, and this is where everything all comes together. I'm just going to be turning it and tossing it back and forth gently so that it's not all mushy and all gummy, and our food is ready. Whether you like this for lunch, for dinner, for brunch, whatever it is, it's noodles, but just to make it a little bit more interesting. I don't like taking noodles every time, but anytime I eat my noodles, I like to make it a bit more interesting, and that is what I did. So feel free to serve this to make it different from what you usually take. I hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel, because I'll be sharing many more with you. I'll love to see you come back to this page. Take care and be blessed. Bye.